Hey, do you make projects on regular basis? Do you want to make your project look beautiful and creative? Let's go. Welcome back to Arts by Vash. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to create 12 different border designs step by step. These are very easy and beginner friendly and perfect for school and college projects. So let's go. Let's start with our very first design, a simple floral border. You can use small flowers, leaves to make it look elegant. In my case, I am using flowers only. First, I'll draw orange flower. Then I am drawing pink flower. And I'll add yellow leaves to it. Similarly, I'll draw to upper side of it. Here I am using dark pink flower first and yellow leaves to it. After this, I am taking black gel pen and drawing the borders of it to make it look beautiful. And similarly, I'll draw borders to each flowers and leaves too. I'll complete this border task meanwhile. Please let me know in the comments if you would draw this, which color you would use here. And it's done. Now I'll take scale and I'll draw border of green color here. You can take any color. I am trying to take the combination of leaves color, that's why I took green. With green I am doing one more border of black gel pen and it's done. Let me know how is this looking. Let's move to the next one. For this one I took red color and I am trying to draw waves like shape. First I'll draw it with red and then I'll take some combination color which is yellow. Now I am taking black gel pen to do it cross wave. Now I am drawing dots on that black line so that it highlights in between red and yellow. Similarly, I'll do it for all. And it's done. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Next, I am taking purple color, trying to draw some design with color combination. First, I'll take purple and with that I'll take sky blue color as well, but first I'll draw similar designs from both sides. I'm drawing lines with the sky blue colors. I'm taking 3 lines here with the black pen. This I'll do from both ends. And it's done. Let's move on to next. Here I'll draw the broad borders with black pen on 3 sides of this paper. I won't take full border from 4th side. I have kept one corner open and there I am using red pen to draw circles. I'll fill them out. Similarly, I'll draw circles with orange color and fill them out. And with yellow color too. Now I am drawing border with gel pen. And it's done. In the next one I am drawing wavy line with dark green color in combination with light green. Now I'll draw leaves from 3 sides like this. I'll complete this meanwhile. Let me know if you are still watching. Let me know if you have subscribed till yet or not. If not, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. And it's done. Let's move on to the next one. Here I'll draw a border with black gel pen again from all 4 sides. Now I'll draw flowers from both sides, left and right. Now I am trying to draw leaves with brush pen. It's a good technique to draw leaves in an easy way. I'll draw it on both ends. I'll fill the colors in flowers. First I took pink. I'll color both sides flowers. Now I took orange. Similarly here as well, I'll color it on both sides. Now I am taking yellow color. After this I took red, and it's almost done. Yeah, it's done. Let's move on to the next one. Here I am taking red border from two sides. Now I am drawing two wavy lines and a red border covered with simple straight line. And now again I'll draw the leaves with different colors like yellow and red and orange. This brush pen leaves hack, isn't it cool? Let me know in the comments if you already knew it. Here I'll draw bubble like shape and it's almost done. This one we will keep it very simple. I'll draw borders. Then I'll draw leaves from both ends. So like this, and I'll draw leaves to it. Now I'll color those leaves and it's done. Next one, I'll draw a wavy line crossing each other. Now I'll draw hearts with brush pen only. Also let me know in the comments if you know this technique as well. Like leaves we can draw hearts with the brush pen. So I took red color here. We will make it very simple, but this looks good. In this one I am drawing borders from three sides, and from one side I'll draw a circle with this brown color, small and big circles. After that I'll draw a wavy line and I'll draw leaves to it. I'll give some texture to it, and this is done. This one is very simple. I am trying to draw a pencil border and drawing bubbles from bigger shape to smaller ones with red color and yellow color. And it's done. In this I am taking three colors, yellow, pink and sky blue. I'll draw similar shapes and color from both sides, both corners, to make it look beautiful. Now I'll draw a border with black gel pen. And now I'll draw dots on the lines. And it's done. Here we completed all our 12 designs. Let me know in the comments which one do you like the most. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.